Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the clay and put it like this. Now take a dry stick and put some flowers like this using the clay and fix it over the base. And make a beautiful plant. Now put some dots over it, put some mushrooms and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the clay and then roll them together. Take a plastic cup and then you have to roll the clay around it like this and then cover it with the brown clay. Now make the flowers using the clay. Put the yellow color clay in the between. Now take the green color clay and make a stick and fix it like this. Make the leaves like this and draw the lines over it and paste it on the sides. Now fill the clay in the plastic cup like this and then we have to put the flower sticks like this and it's ready. Next, take the dry stick and take a pot and then put the dry stick over it. Now take the orange color clay or different color clays and put the balls like this over the sticks. Now keep putting it. You can use different colors of your choice as well, and look, it's done. Next, we'll be making a flower photo frame. So take a sticks, join them and then we have to put the sellotape over it. Now on the back of it, we'll be spreading the green color clay to make the grasses. Make the stems and leaves with the green clay. Now using different color clays, we'll be making the flowers. Make some butterflies near it and your beautiful photo frame is ready. You can decorate it further as per your choice as well. Next, take different color green shades of clay and put them together like this. Put the blue clay in the between and surround it with the black clay. Now we have to take the clay like this and make the leaves as shown in the video. Now put it over the stick like this. Cover the stick with the green clay and then put them one by one over the blue part like this. Now we have to make a beautiful duck like this and put it, and your pond is ready. Next, we'll be making this beautiful bunny and the frame. So take a wooden cardboard sheet like this and fix it. Put the clay in the between and then spread it as shown in the video. Put the green color clay and then put the dots over it. Now take the stick and roll the clay around it. Now you have to take the green color clay and draw the lines like this and then put it like this on the top. Put some flowers over it like this. Now take the pink color clay and put it in the ears of the bunny. Make its eyes, nose and the body of it and decorate it like this, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the clay or some plastic cups and fill it with the clay like this. Now make the flowers using the red color clay and decorate it. Now after making the flowers, cover the stick with the green clay and make it stems and leaves. Join them and then put it over the pot like this, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a brown color clay and then put them like this and then put some 2 layers of clay another over it. Now we'll be making a sunflower like this using yellow and brown color clay. Now put them like this and make few more as such. Now make the leaves using green color clay like this. You can decorate it further as per your choice. You can write something over it like this and gift it to someone. And it's ready. Next, paste the sticks and then you have to put the clay like this. Make the leaves by drawing the lines over it and then you have to paste it like this to make the trees. Make some mushrooms, decorate it further like this, put some leaves and flowers on the frame, and it's done. Take the red color clay, make the balls. Now put them together and draw the lines over it like this. Now after that, we'll be putting the yellow color clay in the between. Take the green color paper, roll it and fix it like this. Make some leaves. Now take the pink color paper, fix it like this and join it, and it's done. Thanks for watching a video.